Hello everybody, a very good evening to all of you. This is Deepak Roy here. My ID is 036. I would like to talk about our presentation. Presentation topic is comparative performance of machine learning algorithms for cryptocurrency forecasting. We all are 10 members in our group. Our group member is Mr. Faisal, Mr. Imran, Mr. Imtiaz, Ms. Lima, Mr. Akash, Mr. Mamun, Mr. Munirul, Mr. Jewel, Mr. Monowar, and me. We all are come from Bangladesh University, here I go. Our subject is Pattern Recognition Lab, course code CSC 3302, batch 54 CSC, lab group 02. Members ID 007 010 018 019 020 031 033 034 036 and 049. This is our index and abstract. Over centuries, humans developed critical theory to inform decisions and avoid basing them slowly on personal experience. Artificial intelligence is increasingly influencing the opinions and behavior of people in everyday life. However, the over-representation of men in the design of these technicals could quietly undo records of advance in gender equality. Next is Faisal.
Assalamu alaikum.
Please.
I'm Faisal Ahmed. ID number 020. Cryptocurrencies as a medium of exchange that is created and stored electronically in the blockchain, a distributed public database that keeps a permanent record of digital transactions. A cryptocurrency is a digital asset designed to work as a medium of exchange, while individual coin ownership records are stored in a ledger existing in a form of a computerized database using strong cryptography to secure transaction records, to control the creation of additional coins, and to verify the transfer of coin ownership. Cryptocurrencies typically use decentralized control as opposed to a central bank digital currency. When a cryptocurrency is minted or created prior to issuance or issued by a single issuer, it is generally considered centralized. When implemented with decentralized control, each cryptocurrency works through distributed ledger technology, typically a blockchain that serves as a public financial transaction database. Bitcoin, first released as open source software in 2009, is the first decentralized cryptocurrency. Since the release of Bitcoin, many other cryptocurrencies have been created. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a blockchain-based decentralized virtual currency who has no physical existence in reality. It is a global currency. The currencies of all the countries of the world are regulated through one or the other bank. But no country or bank in the world can control this cryptocurrency. It is self-regulating. As a result, the transaction information cannot be viewed by anyone other than the data sender and receiver. That's why cryptocurrency transactions are always safe. Cryptocurrency can be used in almost all countries except a few countries in the world. Because of that, many more benefits can be enjoyed. There are over 4,700 cryptocurrencies around the world, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Tether, Bitcoin, Binance Coin, Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, etc. Litecoin and Ethereum are among the largest alternative blockchain technologies, known as altcoins, and were invented after Bitcoin. Altcoins may have different purposes of development but are using general methodology based on decentralized peer-to-peer network, with the assumption of no network failure and no internet interruption. Research on the cryptocurrency field is still limited. Mostly research in this field is focusing on a single cryptocurrency rather than broader areas such as technological advancement, government participation in market regulations, as well as market development. This section will focus on 6 types of cryptocurrency, begins with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Neem, Ripple, followed by Stellar. In the succeeding section, we focus the review of previous studies on machine learning, support vector machines, artificial neural networks, and deep learning applied in forecasting. Next is Imran Ratul.
Imran, please start your. Imran.
Imran, are you there?
Imran, are you there?
Any problem?
Okay, machine learning. To succeed on trading, mastering analysis is very important. Future value can be analyzed in two different ways: technical analysis and fundamental analysis. This presentation will present technical analysis by applying ML algorithms. The two most widely used algorithms for forecasting price movement are known as artificial neural networks and support vector machine. The artificial neural network is a form of machine learning technique that has been widely used in rainfall prediction, given its ability to identify highly complex non-linear relationship between input and output variables without the need to understand the nature of the physical processes. The support vector machine is a predictive analysis and data classification algorithm that assigns new data elements to one of the level categorized. SVM is in most cases a binary classifier. It assumes that and data in questions contains two possible target values. Next is Mr. Imtiaz.
Assalamu alaikum. MD Imtiaz Hussain, ID 007. Support vector machine method or classifier was introduced as an induction period. Support vector machine works very well. Various applications provide ascertaining result and easy to use. A support vector machine is machine learning algorithm that analyze data for classification and regression analysis. SVM is a supervised learning method that looks at data and sorts it into one of two categories. An SVM outputs a map of the sorted data with the margin between the two as far apart as possible. SVM are used in text categorization, image classification, handwriting recognition, and in the science. Support vector machine has become an extremely popular algorithm. A support vector machine is also known as a support vector network. The advantages of support vector machine are effective in high dimensional space, still effective in cases where number of dimensions is greater than the number of samples. The disadvantages of support vector machine include SVM do not directly provide probability estimates. These are calculated using an expensive 5-fold cross validation. Next, Imran.
Imran, are you there? Okay. Artificial neural networks.
ওখানে বৃষ্টি হচ্ছে কিছুক্ষণ আগে ও ই করলো
Please don't stop. Artificial neural networks. An artificial neural network is the piece of computing system designed in simulate the way the human brain analyzes and processes information. It is the foundation of artificial intelligence and solves problems that would prove impossible or difficult by human or statistical standards. ANNs have self-learning capabilities that enable Trump to produce better results as more data becomes available. Key takeaways. An artificial neural network is the component of artificial intelligence that is meant to simulate the functioning of a human brain. Processing units make up ANNs, which in turn consist of inputs and outputs. The inputs are what the NN learns from to product the desired output. Backpropagation is the set of learning rules used to guide artificial neural networks. The practical application for ANNs are far and wide, encompassing finance, personal communication, industry, education, and so on. Understanding an artificial neural networks. Artificial neural networks are built like the human brain, with neuron nodes interconnected like a web. The human brain has hundreds of billions of cells called neurons. Each neuron is made up of a cell body that is impossible for processing information by carrying information towards inputs and away outputs from the brain. An ANN has hundreds or thousands of artificial neurons called processing units, which are interconnected by nodes. These processing units are made up of input and output units. The input units receive various forms and structure of information based on the neural weighting system and the neural network atoms. To learn about the information presented to produce one output report. Just like humans need rules and guidelines to come up with a result or output, ANNS also uses set of learning rules called propagation and aberration for backward propagation of error to perfect their output results. And NN initially goes through a training pass where it learns to recognize patterns in data, whether visually, orally, and textually. During the supervised phase, the network compares its actual output produced with what it was meant to produce, the desired output. The difference between both customs is adjust back propagation. This means that the new network works backward, going from the output unit to the input units to adjust the weight of its connections between the units until the difference between the actual and desired custom products the possible error. During the training and supervisory stage, the ANN is taught what to look for and what its output should be, using yes/no question types with binary numbers. For example, a bank that wants to detect credit card found on time may have two input units fed with this question: Is the transaction is a different country from the user resident country? 2. Is the website the card is being used at affiliated with companies or countries on the bank's wish list? 3. Is the transaction amount larger than $2,000? 4. Is the name on the transaction bill the same as the name of the cardholder? The bank wants to found detected response to be yes, 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 no, which in binary format would be 1110. If the network's actual output is 1010, it adjusts this result until it delivers an output that coincides with 1110. After training, the computer system can alert the bank of pending fraudulent transaction, saving the bank lots of money. Next is Lima.
হ্যালো স্যার আমার স্যার নেট কানেকশন চলে গেছে
Next is Miss Lima.
Okay.
Hello.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Lima. My ID last 3 digit 031. I am representing deep learning. Deep learning is an all function that imitates the working of the human brain in processing data and creating patterns for use in decision making, also known as deep neural learning or deep neural network. Example the most precise result across many phase models explained in this section applies a nonlinear function on the hidden units and enable a more lavish model that is capable to learn more abstract illustration to form a deep network when modules are arranged on top of each other. Thanks.
Next is Mamun Sheikh.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Al-Mamun, ID 019. Now I am presenting proposed methodology. The proposed methodology makes us of both qualitative and quantitative perspective and includes a broad array of approaches such as literature reviews, expert opinion, focus group, and content validation. It also involves a sophisticated assessment of construct validity, including substantive and structural aspects, based on 5 years of daily history as inputs for all models and based on the availability of dataset from the source. The data is prepared from daily open, close, high and low price of a daily trending for all total of 6 type of cryptocurrency and are downloaded from the market capitalization database and raised from 2013 to 2018. Open price. The first price of a given cryptocurrency in a daily trending. Close price, the price of the last transaction for a given cryptocurrency at the end of a daily trending. High that was paid for a cryptocurrency during a daily trending. Lowest price, the lowest price of a cryptocurrency is in a daily trending. Next, now I am requesting next participant to be continue.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Abdullah. My ID numbers 018. My topics data description. Data is defined as fact or figures or information that is stored in or used by a computer. An example of data is information collected for a research paper. An example of data is an email fact that can be analyzed or used and affected. Again, knowledge or make decision information and computer. Data is information has been translated into a form that is affected for movement or processing. Relative to today computer and translation media, data is information converted into binary digital form. Raw data is term used to describe data it is most basic digital format. The main part of the paper is to get the most accurate costing price based on the above mentioned Bitcoin. BTRC is the first digital currency in market capitalization. List and base since March 2013, such January 2018. Training data for Bitcoin start from 28 March 2013 to 16 still January 2017. Flowing the from 17 August 2017 16 January 2017. Data description Bitcoin from 2018 April 2013 to 16 January 2017. November 1st April 2015 January reserve. Ripple 4th August 2015 3rd January and Stellar from 16 2013 from 60 January 17 to 20. Well, testing data start for all selected type of start from 16 January 2017 3rd January. The training and testing data test in our time series data. Data is first of training set number of value as per observation in the first segment currently. Server value as per first segment regularly. Server classes are then used to test data number of value. The testing set is 364 in the second segment. Bitcoin BTRC BT from 2018 March 13 to 16 January 17. Observation 1388 from 17 January 17 to 16 January to 18. Observation 364. Ether from ETH 7 August 15 to 16 January 17. Observation 526. from 17 January 17 to 60 January 68. Observation 364. Bitcoin LTC 28 April 13 to 16 January 17. Observation 1358 from 17 January 17 to 16 January 18. Observation 364. NIM and EXM 1 April 15 to 16 January 117. Observation 657 from 15 to 16. Observation 364. Ripple and XRP 4 August 17 to 16 January 17. Observation 1264 from 17 January 17 to 16 January 18. Observation 364. Next presenter Mr. Deepak Roy. Thank you. That's it.
Thank you. Result and analysis. Comparative analysis refers to the comparison of two more processes, documents, data sets, or other objects. Pattern analysis, filtering, and decision tree analysis are form of comparative analysis. Comparative data analysis is the science of examining a set of data to draw conclusion about the information, to be able to make decision or simplify to expand the knowledge on various subjects. During the execution of founded program, data regarding results and impact were not systematically collected in and more monitoring accessible. Types of data analysis: descriptive analysis, exploratory analysis, inferential analysis, predictive analysis, causal analysis, mechanistic analysis. Conclusion. Machine learning is a part of artificial intelligence and has the ability to make forecasting using such algorithm neural networks, support vector machine, and deep learning. This paper is highly focused on the comparative performance of machine learning algorithm of 6 cryptocurrencies and obtained results accuracy 95.5 of SVM, outperform, and others classifiers. In future, algorithms will be improved on the accuracy rate of the forecasted pace of the power of SVM and the most accuracy result as per actual value of cryptocurrency. Last of all, I would like to thank my honorable teacher right by me for listening our presentation. That's all. Thank you everybody.